Hey, my chickadees. Welcome back to the Back 40. Okay, I have finished decorating my altered book, and I'm just going to do a flip through. And this one I set up as just a pure writing book, so it has minimum stuff in it right now. This is a pocket. That's just decoration. I decoupaged a napkin over there. I left this one because that's the first page of the book. I always like doing that. And I left these 2 pages. And I put this page in as a painted page with the fabric. And I left the fabric open because I may want to make a pocket later. This is that hidden pocket, and I put the tag in. This I made the big tag out of with some of my coffee dyed paper that I'm doing this morning. This is a pocket with the decoupage napkin over an envelope that is folded over to make a tuck pocket on the other side. I put a little chipboard piece that I had on it. And this is using up my stash for the August challenge too, this Saturday morning. That was so cute to me. I gessoed the back and then applied decoupage the napkin over it. I like when you can see the book or the text writing through it. And then, again, because I like seeing the text writing, I just did gesso the text so I could use the whole page for writing. You could still see the book behind it. And this page, I decoupaged the napkin over it and then cut the page around the napkin. That is a pocket. It doesn't have anything in it, but that is a pocket up there. I applied the little bookmarker through the spine. This page I really like. Probably my mixed media part of me likes it. I decoupaged 2 napkins over here, and then I took my gesso and textured out around it, you know. I can write, and then I can also add some more mixed media stuff to it. On this page here, I put in a coffee dyed paper that I was using, and then gesso to put some eyelash string there. That's just more of that coffee dyed paper. This is the stack pocket. I've got 2 pockets, one in the middle and then 3 on the other side. Decoupaged napkins, and then put down a piece of that fabric because, you know, it's got my gnomes in it. I just had to put her in here. I made her. She's so cute. You know, we all had that granny. I'm going to be that granny. And then this is the Karen Brandon's Fall Autumn sheet that she had for her members. So I put that in there with the gesso paper. And this is a pocket on the side here. That's that pocket, kind of like a hidden pocket. And then I put this down as a pocket here. And then here I took another one of the napkins and I decoupaged it down and then cut around it and then put some eyelash trim because, you know, gotta have a little stuff hanging out. You know, I like the hanging out stuff. There we go. I made another pocket and decoupage a napkin over it. I like that. That's cute to me. I like doing that, putting the whole napkin over it and then cutting the pocket part out. And that is some handmade paper. Now, going through it, I have this spot here. And what I'm going to do for the spine to reinforce it, I wanted to show that. I have some fabric. And I have a fabric piece, and I had what fabric tape I had turned upside down, but it wasn't enough. I got to get me some more. You know I'm a glue snob, so I like my fabric tape. But anyway, we'll use this other glue. It'll be okay. So what I like to do to reinforce it is just take my glue and put along the spine side here. And I am not stingy on the glue. I'm going to put just a little down in the book where the glue, where the spine is. Okay, and then I put this here. And press it down. And then I'm going to go over it just a little more. There we go. And then on the other side, turn my fabric back. And then on the other side, so if you're putting the books together and stuff and you mess the spine up, it's not lost. You can fix anything. That's the best part about junk journaling. You can fix it. And when you put cute stuff on it like this and you get all done, who's to know you didn't mean for it to look like that in the first place? Okay, then I like taking my spine and putting it back together like that. Press it together. Then I hold my paper and then put that down. Okay. Then I'm going to hold my spine together and I'm going to close it up. And then I'm going to press my spine down. Okay. And then I'm going to let gravity do the work. I'm just going to hold it till it all grabs. And then I'll let gravity do its job. Now I'll open it back up just to make sure that I got everything in there. And then I'll take a piece of my paper, press it right in there. And then turn that. Okay. And then this I gessoed. And when I was gessoing it, the pages flipped together and stuck, and I pulled it apart. I didn't cover it up because I like that. You might not. I do. And then on the back of the book, I put the Joy vellum down. It's a little chipboard reef. And this was a poem that I cut out about Christmas, and it says, all Christmas play and make, good cheer for Christmas comes but once a year. So I put that in there, and that's the back of the book, and then that's it. I'm going to leave this setting up and let gravity do its deal and let that glue set, and then it will be all done. I didn't put a closure on it because it's a writing book, and I'm putting it up over by my recliner. So I'll have it for writing in when it's time. Okay, that was my flip through. Thank you. Bye.